The majority of project and portfolio management tools on the market today generally follow the same pattern. They're built around deterministic planning and heavy resource utilization, which simply doesn't work in less predictable environments. They tend to be complex, with a steep learning curve, they cost a lot of money, and more often than not, they lack thorough, lean and agile support, including AI native capabilities. So instead of forcing organizations into rigid structures, at Businessmap we take a different approach. We focus on lightweight project and portfolio management, which helps companies visualize and manage the entire end-to-end flow of work across the organization, focus on delivering value quickly and predictably, use AI for lightweight planning, and adapt the system to your work management needs, not the other way around. So without further ado, let's see how we do this in practice. Let's start from a custom dashboard in Businessmap where we have a management workspace which acts as a central hub of leadership and brings together multiple portfolio boards. At the same time, we have a team workspace where the execution across teams happens. So right from the start, we're connecting strategy with delivery. But to really understand how everything fits together, we need to start from the big picture. So let's open the AI canvas where planning becomes visual and collaborative. Instead of scattered documents or static plans, here we can map out the entire portfolio structure. In a central view, you can see how everything from the strategic and the portfolio levels down to the projects and tasks is connected across the company. Now let's take a look at the three main strategic objectives we have on the canvas. For each one of them, with the help of AI, we can generate a unique work breakdown structure, we can build outcomes we want to track, and we can even use the AI engine to understand more about the context and risks behind each initiative. As you can see, we've already built some OKRs under each strategic objective, and at a glance, we can inspect their progress and status. Adding new outcomes is easily done through either AI or manually inputting your data. And from there, each key result is directly connected to actual work across teams. So instead of manually aligning everything, the system shows you which projects contribute to which outcomes, which teams are involved, and how progress is evolving in real time. Now, if we want a more structured overview, we can switch to the Initiatives and Outcomes dashboard in Businessmap. Here, everything is organized in a clear hierarchy from the strategic objectives, where you can inspect the status of the goals you're tracking, down to programs, projects, and teamwork. Now, let's move to one of the portfolio boards in the management workspace. At the top, you can design a PPM workflow where you track how projects and initiatives move through different phases. As you can see, the OKRs we saw on the canvas boards are built within every work initiative. Below that, we can have a Gantt chart view where the projects from the portfolio are broken down. We can visualize the deliverables of each team, milestones, as well as finish to start dependencies between the work initiatives. From the plus button, you can quickly create a new initiative or a new milestone. Moving further down is where the real magic happens. Under linked workflows, each portfolio board can be connected to team boards where the actual work on the portfolio initiatives happens. From every card on your boards, you can also see the full hierarchy of a portfolio initiative across the management levels in your company. And with a single click, the platform allows you to move from the portfolio boards to the team boards, where leaders can see the team's initiatives. They can edit any workflow the way they see fit, and even create multiple and different workflow types on a single board. For project and portfolio management, Businessmap offers resource and capacity planning capabilities. You can filter by different projects, roles, and other criteria to see how your teams are allocated across the portfolio. With the people's calendars, you can also inspect the capacity of particular team members and see when they have blocked time, so you can plan your capacity accordingly. Moreover, you get a central view of your project status, such as how many projects in total you currently have, how many are active, what's their average completion rate, how many are on the critical path, and so on. And with the cost center in Businessmap, portfolio leaders can track both investments and total budgets, estimated versus actual costs, remaining budget, as well as your forecasted costs. To track your daily performance in Businessmap, our AI-driven analytics come to help. You can visualize your most important reports as widgets and use AI to analyze if your teams are delivering on time, what are the main risks you should be aware of, what actions you can take to improve delivery, and many, many more questions. Ultimately, Businessmap gives you one connected platform for project and portfolio management, so you can align strategy, execution, resources, and costs around the outcomes that matter most. If you'd like to see how we can help you manage your projects and portfolios, don't hesitate to request your free Businessmap trial and get in touch with our experts.